yeah, they have boys like those.
You know what, just because I'm crazy, I'm gonna go for the purple Lovebirds tap. So I know you can win it by the tag. So I might as well try for it. Oh no, it spiked the body. Might have to try and spin it or something. Oh, that was close. Just because I saw the guy before us try it. I'm gonna go ahead and try it really quick. We tried to catch this purple one right by the wing. As good as this can be. I'd really like to get that shit out there, if I could. It was a she devil and the one I went to earlier, but the claw wasn't closing all the way, so it was pretty impossible for that. You guys are probably screaming at me, go for the red. I don't think that's gettable though. Try it. Oh man. I wish I had some more change on me. Alright guys, dollar challenge right here. We're gonna get this red bird. So I almost had it. Hold. No! Ah! It hit the coil. And now I think it's probably ungettable. Let me try though. Please clamp. We totally had it too, and it wouldn't have fallen if it hadn't hit the coil. And that was our only dollar. Bummer. Thanks for watching, guys.